Okay, I ended up with 2 and I should have ended up with 3, so I just quickly pulled it apart and re-knitted it, re-crocheted it. So yeah, now we're left with 3. Okay, done 1 there and 1 there, so we're going to miss them, and that one there in the middle is the last stitch. Okay, I'm going to grab that piece of yarn, just to hold that in place for a second. So I need a piece of pink yarn. I'm just undoing the bolt so I can get a piece of pink yarn to finish that off. Be 2 ticks. That looks like purple. Keep going. That's pink. Okay. Let's take that out and put this pink in now. And I'm going to finish that end off before I go any further, because the next thing we're going to do is take off the waste yarn and it's all going to run. We're going to drop all our stitches, so let's see what we can do with this. Just going to go under there and just tie that, give it a double knot. Just going to weave it through all these stitches like before. If you can find a tight piece there, I doubt if you will, but just give it a little weave. Okay, that'll do. Now we're going to take the waste yarn off. So if you pull, there's always, if you look around this here, you've got the loose one on the top, you've got a loose one underneath. So if you pull the underneath one, that should be your towel and it will pull it through. That's it. And then got a couple more there, pull them through, one more, and we can wind this one up, keep our waste yarn. A lot of the time this yarn gets a bit stuck. Sometimes I have to cut it off because it goes in between the yarn. So yeah, I think it has there. See there? It's gone in between it. So what I just do is snip that, give it a pull. Right. Still not happy? There's another one. See how that's gone between the yarn? No, still not happy. That was a well twisted piece of yarn. Look at that. Okay, hold on. Let's get rid of that. Oops. Let's just remove this piece. Grey. Got another end to finish off. Let's go through. There's one, put it through twice. That makes a nice knot. Now we're going to weave it in and out to get rid of it. And that should be it finished. So what we'll do now is we're going to drop all our stitches. Gently pull them, you don't have to go mad. That's got it. This is fun, pulling these stitches undone. You spend all of your time not dropping stitches, and then at the end of this scarf you just pull them all undone, drop loads. All the way down to the bottom we're going to go. This takes a little while. Fix that bit in a minute. Let's get down to the bottom with this. I'll meet you at the end. How about that? I'll meet you at the end. Okay, got loads of parcels to open, so I thought I'd share them with you. Which one shall we do first? Let's do this one, this box. We like a box. Oh my God, look at the size of them. I thought these were going to be tiny. Wow, let's have a look at this. Where's my scissors? These are huge. Good grief, they are so soft. That is really soft. What does it say? There's a free pattern on the label. Sleep Valley crochet baby blanket. I didn't buy this for blankets, I must admit. I bought this, I was going to have a go at making some socks. And I thought, oh, fluffy, that'll do. I've got a pair of socks like that in that colour. 100% polyester, machine washable and dryable. 5 weight, bulky. Fabulous, that is so lovely. There's a strap, look at that. Oh my God, I can't wait to get started with that. Fabulous. Okay, next, what we got next? That was a surprise, that bouquet was. I seriously didn't think they'd be that big. I thought it'd just be a little cake, but they wasn't. Ah, these are nice. Crystal Yamas. These are going to be going into my storage for when I start making Christmas bits. I'm stocking up on some red and some green. Let's feel it. It's a lovely red. It's real deep red. Very nice. Washed on a 30. Okay, you're going into storage, Red Wolf. I think I know what's in here. Wow, look at this. Cotton paint box yarn. Cotton Aran. That is gorgeous. What a lovely colour. And I've got some. These two are for making dishcloths or washcloths. I think these were for dishcloths. Let me just have a look. Yeah, these wash on. I can't read that. It looks like It's either 40 or 60. I think I bought them because they washed on 60. I love that colour. It's lovely. What do you think? Okay, well that should make some interesting bits and pieces. Oh, I just want to start with this one. I love it. Cotton Aran. Fabulous. But that's it. All my parcels are opened. And that's, I'll see you next time.